Hi boys and girls, today is Thursday and today we are going to continue to practice combining and separating our numbers. We are going to use our 10 frame again. So I have my 10 frame that I've been using for the past few days, and then I also have my number cards that I used yesterday. So today our focus is going to be on separating numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a little game with our 10 frame. It's kind of similar to yesterday, but instead of adding, we're going to take away. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to fill out your 10 frame. Okay, so I'm going to fill out my 10 frame. I know that a 10 frame has 10 squares. I always need to start at the top left corner, fill all the first row, then go to the bottom left corner and fill the bottom row. So let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I have filled out I have filled out my 10 frame all the way. So I have 10 objects in my 10 frame, okay? So then I'm going to pull a card from my number cards, okay? So let's pull 6, okay? So I pulled the number 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 6 objects from my 10 frame. Okay, so I'm going to take away 6 objects. So I kind of have to count backwards. Now, when we take away 6 objects, we want to start at the bottom right corner so we can kind of keep track of what we have left. Okay, so we're going to kind of go backwards. When we take away, we go backwards. We do it in like reverse. So let's take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So I took away 6. Now I get to figure out how many I have left. I can figure out how many I have left by just counting what I have left on my 10 frame. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 left. I started with 10. I took away 6, and now I have 4 left. Good job. Now remember, after every turn, you want to fill your 10 frame up again. So let's fill up our 10 frame up again. Remember how we fill up our 10 frame? We fill up the top row first and then the bottom row. That way we know what we're counting and we can keep track and stay organized. So let's do another number. Let's do, this might trick you. Don't let us trick you. Okay, ready? 10. Okay, I have the number 10. So I have to take away 10 objects. So let's take away 10 objects. Count with me. 1, 2, remember we're going backwards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I've taken away 10 objects. I have the objects that I've taken away down here. How many do I have left? You're right, I have nothing left. There's no magnets on my 10 frame for me to count. Good job. Okay, so that's how you play the game. Use as many cards as you need to use. Go as many times as you want. Remember to have fun. Remember to always start at the top left corner. Fill the top row, then go to the bottom left corner. Fill the bottom row. And after each turn, put all your objects back on your 10 frame so you know how many to take away. So you guys have fun. Enjoy.